Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student, in this lesson we will learn basic Arabic alphabet sounds. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif, alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, zad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, lam, mim, nun, waw, ha, hamza, ya. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for learn online Quran for free. Good.